Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a content failed to load error in Xbox app. Let's fix it guys. Method 1. Try downloading from the Microsoft Store app instant. It worked for me, not a fix, but it works guys. If this method doesn't fix your problem, then let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, you just need to open up Xbox app and select the profile icon. Select support, select the gaming service repair tool, select start repairing, select yes. After getting this done, you just need to close stuff here and restart the Xbox app and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 3 guys. Method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type PowerShell. Right click on the Windows PowerShell and select Run as Administrator and select yes. Now check my video description for this command used in my video. Just copy and paste it and press enter. After getting this done, you just need to close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.